YouTube has a lot of videos, and some of them might be AI content. Many of us don't like it for various reasons. I made a simple Chrome extension that can help you know if what you're watching is AI content. How does this extension work? In short, creators who upload content must check the altered or synthetic content option if the content looks real but didn't actually happen. Does this mean all content with this label is definitely AI? No. But if content is made with AI and looks realistic, the creator must check this label. From this, we can conclude that content with this label is likely AI. Unfortunately, sometimes the label is not immediately visible because it's only in the description. This extension will show the label automatically. For long videos, it appears next to the title. For shorts, it appears above the video. How to use it? Currently, the extension can't be uploaded to the Chrome Web Store because of fees, but you can download the extension from the link I provide in the description. Then extract it anywhere. After that, open Chrome, click Manage Extensions, enable Developer Mode, click Load Unpacked, and select the folder you extracted. Now the extension is ready to use with no settings. You can try it on long videos and shorts. For long videos, it appears next to the title. For shorts, it appears above the video. Can it be used on mobile? No. This extension is only for desktop browsers. Is the filter accurate? Not 100% accurate. The extension only relies on the altered or synthetic content label in the description, so not all AI-generated content will have the label. How to remove the extension? Just click Manage Extensions, then click Remove on the extension you want to delete. Finally, make sure your YouTube is in English so the extension works properly.